So here we are going to write a Java program to find the second largest number in an array. So let's take an array. Here we have an array of integer which will have some values as, let's say, 5, 20, 60, 30, 100. Now in this array we have to find the second largest number in an array. Okay, so by looking at this array we can quickly find that 60 is the second largest number, 100 is the largest number. So to write a logic we have to do it step by step. So the first step is sort the array in an ascending order, and then the second step is to print the second largest number. So let's sort the array. For this, for the sorting purpose, we will require two for loops. So the one for loop will be pointing to the first element and the second will be pointing to the next element. So we will be comparing, is 5 less than 20? If yes, then no need to swap. But if this 5 is not less than, if 5 is greater than 20, so the first element is greater than 20, then we will be needing a swap. So we'll write in an if condition here, ARR of I first we have to write a for loop here. So we will require two for loop. For loop 1 is int I is equal to 0, I less than ARR dot length minus 1. So it will be, we will be taking indexes. So this ARR dot length will give length as 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we want the indexes, since the array index starts from 0, it will be ARR length minus 1. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we will increment the I. In the second for loop, we will take variable as j, int j. Now it will start from I plus 1, that is the next index value. Condition for j is j must be less than ARR dot length minus 1. So up to the end we will be traversing the j. Then we have the j plus plus, and inside these two for loops we will write an if condition. If so we will write as ARR of I is greater than ARR of j. So if the first element is greater than the second element, in that case we will swap it. So it will help us to sort the array in an increment order. For this we will require a temporary variable. Let's take a temp as a temporary variable here. So temp is equal to ARR of I, then ARR of I will have value as ARR of j, and ARR of j will have the temp value. Once this swapping is done, we can check if the array has been sorted or not. So we print the sorted array. With system.out.println. Now, how to print an array? We have the arrays.toPrint, arrays.toString, toString, and here we will be giving an array. So let's see how it has sorted the array. Yes, it has sorted in an incremental way, in an ascending order. Now we have to get the second largest number in an array. So we'll print it as system dot out dot println, and you can write as error of array dot length minus 2. So we got the answer as 60 is the second largest number. So we can write here as second largest number in an array is. So it will give us a very meaningful output. Second largest number in an array is this. Here we can write as array after sorting in an ascending order. So we will get the array in an ascending order as this, and the second largest number in an array can be found as 60. Yes.